Everyone, welcome to the Back 40 Feet, where we talk about suburban, urban, and patio gardening. And today is going to be another discussion about critter prevention. So we've had a week of thunderstorms, which has given a lot of rain, and the garden is super happy. I swear that tomatoes really just love thunderstorms even more than just rain. Something about it, and that's something my grandmother used to always say too. But in the rain, it also makes it really hard to keep some bugs off of plants. This is what a week of rain has done to my kale plants. Look at all those holes. These would be caterpillar holes. It doesn't look like slugs. Slugs are usually on the outside. But this has been chewed to bits. And I do still have my cat collars on. That's hard to say. But I think that what happened in the rain is that one of the leaves hit the ground, and that just gave almost a little freeway to get all over this kale plant. And then they continued on to my other kale plants. So the plant's going to survive. I'll trim back those later. But in the meantime, let's get this treated so that it doesn't get chewed anymore. And this is just an example that this is definitely a localized bug, because these are my Swiss chard, which should be just as yummy to whatever is eating my kale, and these seem unblemished. So there's definitely something eating that kale that is crawling all over it. Here is Diatomaceous Earth, or container of it, I should say. And Diatomaceous Earth is basically almost like ground up limestone. And if you were to look at it underneath a microscope, it would look like shards of glass. And that's the whole point where these creepy crawly bugs that are going all over my kale is that they're going to see or feel the glass shards, the limestone, and they're not going to go on it. They're going to try to find something that's a lot easier for them to snack on. And you know, it's inert, so it's very easy. You can spread it with your own hands. It's goes with organic gardening. What I have is sort of this like puffer spray that you squeeze, and the diatomaceous earth will come out sort of a little bit more as a powder. One disadvantage of that is if I try to spread it on a windy day, it is going to end up in my lungs. So I prefer that not to happen. So with diatomaceous earth, you can put it on your plants right up until harvest. Obviously, you're going to want to wash it off, or you're going to have a very chalky flavored vegetable. But I keep saying it's completely inert. And I know that the box that I showed you says that it's a bug killer. That's if you put it directly on top of the bug. So maybe if you have some aphids or something, it will kill the aphids because they're not going to escape really fast. But I'm pretty much using this as a deterrent for bugs crawling all over my kale. So, you know, the advantage of it is it's organic and it's easy to spread and it's cheap. The disadvantage is that after rain or a lot of wind, you need to kind of go out and reassess if you need to add some more to your plants. You can also, if you have a problem with like slugs, keep sort of almost a circle, a ring around some of your plants with diatomaceous earth, and they're not going to go across it.